Fan mail. So now for a little bit of fan mail. Now, one of the most common questions I get asked is, what program do I design in and where did I learn how to design? So it's actually very, very low tech. I use Shaper 3D on my iPad with a stylus. I taught myself how to use it back in 2000 and I just use it every day, and that's where I kind of pick up some tips and tricks. The good news is it's very user friendly, anyone can get hold of it. There's even a trial version that's free before you invest in a full-blown membership. So check it out, Shaper 3D, S-H-A-P-R 3D. I stand by it, it's awesome, I don't think I'll move off it. 2 upcoming shows that I need to spread the word on. April 25th is going to be the Left Coast Customs Classic at the Ventura County Fairgrounds from 9 AM to 3 PM. And then on May 3rd, there's a SoCal Open Model Car Contest. And then what's special about that one is my good friend Armando Flores is organising for a Volkswagen Bug showcase. So lots of builders are putting in some work and effort into building some Volkswagen Beetles. OG Beetles, not the new ones. I can't say on camera what I think they look like. But old Beetles, built any style, super cool. They'll all be down there on a big showcase, and that's not just bugs built in the US, that's built from across the globe. And so that's a wrap for this episode. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, tell me what you think, hit subscribe if you haven't already, or send through your builds for a feature on a future episode. All the 3D designs and the segments that you saw are available for download through the stores in the links, or printed versions are available through some of our trusted partners like Iceman Collections. Special shout out to everyone who supported us this episode, including the Scale Model Supply and Icky Sticky. If you haven't joined our mailing list for the newsletter, do it now. The link is in the description. Join now and you'll get a free set of files. And if you like free files, you can always head over to our Patreon where you get access to some exclusive files and you've got the option to subscribe to some of the bigger tiers that give you more benefits and more value and more files. But for now, thank you. And lastly, remember, if you can make more space on your bench, there's room for one more build to get started. Take care, see you soon.